is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Give me a sign. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more. Howdy there, pluckers. I'm a sore finger again with another piece of fun for you. Another sing-along. This one is a song from Haddaway, and a song called What Is Love. Okay, big hit some years ago. Standard tuning, no capos, doing it in the same key as Haddaway. Okay, very simple song to play chord-wise. There's only 4 chords in it all the way through. Okay, so starts off G minor. The 4 chords are G minor, bar chord, 3rd fret, a B flat, 6th fret major chord, a D minor, 5th fret, bar chord minor shape, and an F bar chord. And that is it. Okay, that's the whole chord sequence throughout the song, and it's just the rhythm. Funky rhythm sort of thing. It starts off with what is love? It's just an arpeggio, sort of a strum on each chord. Yeah. What is love? Baby, don't hurt me no more. And it gets going. Baby, don't hurt me no more. And you accentuate the first 2 beats. What is love? And you climb down for the verse. I don't know why you're not there. You be a lover, you don't care. What is right? What is wrong? Stop wondering who really do. What did they hurt me? Don't hurt me no more. Baby, don't hurt me no more. And it goes into more stabbies. You got the idea? That's it. That's all there is in it. You know, there's sort of whoa bits in it as well. The only other thing I can show you, if you've got somebody else that can play with you, where it comes in on the intro, like what is the da, 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 da. There's just a synthesizer bit that goes which is quite effective. Okay, underneath the 4 chords. Da 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 da. Okay, and all that is I'm playing it on the 6th fret of the start with, 6th fret of the top E string, goes down to the 5th fret on the top E string, and back to the 6th fret on the top E string, and then the 6th fret of the 2nd string, and just repeat that whole thing 4 times. Okay, and that's the first 2 chords. That's the G minor, and the second 2 chords are covered by 4 times, and that's 5th fret top E string to the 3rd fret top E string, and then back to the 5th fret, and then finally the 6th fret of the 2nd string. And you do that 4 times. And you can do that as many times as you like, okay? Because the chords are just going round and round and round, okay? And so on. There you have it, boys and girls. Nice, easy, short lesson for you. Great sing-along number, parties. See you later in the next lesson.